Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to flip a part. So I will create for each sample design. You can click new design and I will draw with the line tools. Okay, we create the simple sketch in it. Now we can use the pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to flip this part, we can use the mirror tools. Go to design tool and then click on mirror. After it, you can select for the mirror face. I will select up this face as the mirror plane. And then I will uncheck for the merge mirror objects. Now you can select the objects and you can select again these objects to cut by using the delete tool. So it will be automatically flip apart. Okay, I will flip again. You can click mirror, select this face as reference, and don't forget to uncheck merge mirror. Select the object, and then you can delete the last object. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to flip apart. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.